एक बचपन का जमाना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था। एक बचपन का जमाना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था। चाहत चांद को पाने की थी पर दिल तितली का दीवाना था। चाहत चांद को पाने की थी पर दिल तितली का दीवाना था। खबर न थी कुछ सुबह की न शाम का ठिकाना था। हम क्यों इतने बड़े हो गए, इससे अच्छा तो बचपन का जमाना था। इससे चाहे कितनी भी कर लो तरक्की और डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर या कलेक्टर बन जाओ। चाहो कितनी भी तरक्की, चाहो कितनी भी करके तरक्की, बन जाओ डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर या कलेक्टर, पर कोई इंसान कभी भी अपने बचपन के जमाना को, अपने कैरेक्टर को कभी नहीं भूल सकता। Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends, greeting to all of you. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I want to say a special thanks to my teachers as Munne sir, Sirtan sir, Tawhid sir, Ghulam Mustafa sir, Afzal sir, and Amanat sir, who has given me such types of golden opportunity. Reason of which I am on this position, and I am thanking for with the core of my heart with my teachers that he has given me such type of golden opportunity. Today I want to deliver my talk on the occasion of Children's Day. Well, dear friends, I am Dilkesh Raza. Today is 14th November. This day is celebrated as Children's Day all over India. 14th November is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had a great love and affection towards children. Hence, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day every year. He always liked to be among children. He was very loving and caring towards children. Hence, children called him Chacha Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru always said that children are the future of the nation, and hence they should be raised with love, care and affection. Children's Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm in almost schools, colleges, universities and many places with great functionality, and we also celebrate Children's Day in tuitions, schools, colleges, universities and many places. And students deliver speeches about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, that how was the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and how is he living in the India, in the world, and how to talk with another person, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Students tell us in their speeches that what is the importance of, what is the introduction of, what is the role of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in children's life. Children participate in all the competitions with great zeal. Children eagerly await for this day, as it brings lots of happiness and fun. This day also reminds everyone that children should be provided with better childhood and protected from all harms. Children are undoubtedly valuable assets of the nation. Hence, they should get proper love and care along with good education and basic rights. I want to say a शेर. एक बचपन का जमाना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था। एक बचपन का जमाना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था। चाहत चांद को पाने की थी पर दिल तितली का दीवाना था। चाहत चांद को पाने की थी पर दिल तितली का दीवाना था। खबर न थी कुछ सुबह की न शाम का ठिकाना था। हम क्यों इतने बड़े हो गए, इससे अच्छा तो बचपन का जमाना था। इससे अच्छा तो बचपन का जमाना था। With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.